5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Here is the product number 5. Proscenic 820p Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Main feature, intelligent planning path, memory family layout, cleaning every corner. Carpet pressurization technology, can climb 15 carpet. Wi-Fi connect mobile phone, supports smart speaker ILIFE control, automatic cleaning for home and office, automatic charging. 2000 mAh long life lead battery, it can cleaning 120 square meters of the environment. Here is the product number 4. Proscenic 830p 2000 par Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Proscenic. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Special suction nozzle, cleaning brush. Featured function, recognize carpet, increase suction automatically. Voice control support, Alexa and Google Home. Cleaning modes, auto/schedule/single room, fixed point, mopping. Charging type, automatic charging, manual. Here is the product number 3. LIECTROUX C30p Vacuum Cleaning Robot Wi-Fi. Descriptions, smart memory, extremely low cleaning missing rate and high coverage rate. Intelligent to sense different environment floors and adjust its direction within 10 ms apply to different floors, low, hard carpet within height of 1 cm, hardwood, ceramic tiles for home, hotel room and office. Twining-proof design of central roller prevents being entangled by wires. Here is the product number 2. ILIFE A4S Robot Vacuum Cleaner Powerful Suction. Brand name, ILIFE. Dust storage type, dust box, dust bucket. Battery life, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Special suction nozzle, clean cyclone dust collection nozzle. Cleaning mode, auto/border/spot/time schedule, max mode, Miniroom mode. Detection system, OBS all floor detection system. Here is the product number 1. ILIFE V7S Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner, brand name, ILIFE. Function, wet and dry. Dust box capacity, 0.5 liters. Dust storage type, dust box, dust bucket. Special suction nozzle, clean cyclone dust collection nozzle. Charging time, about 3 hours. Extra feature, cliff sensor, collide avoidance, mop cloth. Filter, primary plus.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.